Hey everyone, my name is Diamond Alexander, and my presentation is on the disease R. rickettsiae. So R. rickettsiae has a scientific name of Rickettsia rickettsii. The domain is bacteria. The kingdom is bacteria. The phylum is Photiobacteria. The class is Alpha-Photiobacteria. The order is Rickettsiales. The family is Rickettsiaceae. The genus is Rickettsia, and then some of the species are the typhus, the Rickettsia belly group, and then the spotted fever group. The life cycle and habitation. For the life cycle, these are the steps. It attaches to the host cell, then it goes into the phagocytotic vacuole. It then escapes from that vacuole, then it has replication, and then it spreads around to all the neighboring cells. And then for the habitation, it can occur in mammals, fleas, and ticks. It is also in the cytosol of the eukaryotic cells, and is mostly in the southern eastern states. For the shape and arrangement, it is rod shape, and for the arrangement, it is in like 3 major layers. You have the innermost cytoplasmic membrane, the outer layer, and then the rigid cell wall. And then for the gram status, it is gram negative. For some of the resistant antibiotics, you have the rifapentine, the azithromycin, and the telithromycin. Some of the diseases and the medical conditions, you have the RMSF, which is the Rocky Mountain spotted fever. You have the Q fever, the typhus fever, which is composed of the marine typhus and the sylvatic typhus. And then you have the African tick bite fever, and then you have the Mediterranean spotted fever. Some ways that humans can contract the disease is being bit by ticks, flies, and lice. And when they get this bite, it is transmitted into the skin. Then it goes through your bloodstreams. It affects major organs like your kidney, your skin, your heart, your lungs, and organs like that. Some of the signs and symptoms, if you do have the disease, you can cause rashes, nausea, eschar, which is a big old scar. You have headaches, and then you have like swollen lymph glands. Some of the disease treatments, well, one of them is called doxycycline, which is a pill you can take. And then some of the preventions is to make sure you're wearing protective clothing, like long sleeves and long pants, so you can protect yourself from ticks and fleas. And then lastly, some of the fun facts. We have Howard Ricketts. He discovered R. rickettsii in 1902. And Howard is a pathology professor at the University of Ohio. R. rickettsii can only grow and live in host cell. It can be mild to life-threatening. It is transmitted by arthropods, and it has small genomes. And that is my presentation on R. rickettsii.